What's the first thing that you think about when I say the words sausage sizzle to you? That's right, grab a snag. We're talking Bunnings Warehouse.
Here we go.
Welcome to episode number 8 of Great Australian Brands. My name is Simon and this is the Cemoh Marketing channel. If you like what you see, then don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos on business, branding and marketing. Let's take a look at how retail giant Bunnings Warehouse has dominated the Australian marketplace for decades. Founded in 1907 by two brothers, Robert and Arthur Bunning, in Perth, WA, the company came from humble beginnings as a simple sawmill. They then established the name Bunnings Brothers and began operating in bricklaying and selling building supplies during the gold mining boom.
It's gold.
During the war, the company would expand by working closely with the Australian government to build naval ships to combat Japanese-controlled territories. And then post-war, the company evolved to become a key supplier for the home construction industry, which is where it now makes $15 billion a year in revenue. And that dominance is based on 3 key pillars. The first is the famous lowest prices are just the beginning slogan. Bunnings don't just have the lowest prices, they guarantee to beat any competitor by 10%. And this has been drummed into the Australian psyche for decades.
It stays in your head. It's driving me insane.
The second are the price points. Psychological pricing tactics mean that the products end in quirky numbers, $4.45 or $22.33, making you believe that you really are getting the best price.
Okay. I know what you're doing.
And the final pillar is a Bunnings visit is a family affair, with the renowned sausage sizzle, excellent customer service, DIY workshops and aesthetically appealing stores. Bunnings curates an experience that keeps customers coming back, whether or not they want to buy something.
$99, $13 for 52 pack on $19.98 right now.
The Bunnings brand is solely focused on selling an experience, and this in turn sells products. Now, let's grab a snag, and if you enjoy that video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any others.